So that is it.
And on that note, I would like to say thank you very much for the opportunity to speak with you today, Honorable Alhaji Ibrahim Ben Kabo.
Thank you very much.
It's been a real pleasure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming to my humble abode. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming.
And to you out there who is either watching or listening to us in the background, we thank you for watching Conversations One-on-One with me, Josephine Kamara, right here.
Thank you.
On the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I get use.
Now this is what they say I will do and come out to the program where use. The program will make you know different to the happy all about the country. Only when they're the country and two they watch the program. Chance go for take part in the program ask for one of the other country them. Just like whether than the in country, the same chance they get, now one will get for take part in the program where use.
And the only way for do that and for watching a television, the number where they see 076 or 031812174. Or you're going to SFBC Facebook page, you will send a comment say where we will read inside the program.
And it will be your voice.
My voice.
Inside the program, and I'm going to say, according to one allegation, we don't go fair not. One young man say, in frustrate, waiting to do because of his girlfriend. Another one, another two, who say it up now, what's who village na Tumbo Highway, a cutting property, we call a man. Waiting do, we don't go fair not. First school picking in E.B. Williams Primary and Junior Secondary School, don't go cut. The cotton tree don't take us all the cotton tree them inside the school compound E.B. Williams na Jomoka and Yata will wait to know they say snake to kind of no color then they behave to the traffic light. They obey them or they obey them. Well, we don't go find out at this time part inside Freetown. And said but some 2-3 months we don't pass Salon Words Authority and in parts of them they don't go clear some people with them, walk them buffer, pull them at its table so they say no for sale or go sell it. How we look like now? Well, we 077 042 na so for can't the phone. We will present the program. Yankona.
I'm not as I say my name.
Human Fox na my name. While we take a break, then we'll continue the program we use.